Chuck comes because the hearing aid specialist needs to make an impression of his ear, and there's some wax in the way, so we'll get it cleared out. Sherry, how come you can see the light from the other side?
Well, I see there's a little round circle over here that came on.
Oh, okay. And there is some wax. And I can see how that could create a problem for somebody trying to make an impression for a hearing aid. We're just going to have to get that out of the way. You ready?
I am.
Okay.
Ooh, wow. Ooh, boy.
Is it better there? Can I turn it up again fast? There you go.
I make the faces with you.
Can't tell if we're catching the water or not. All right, well, that's the first one. I'm going to take the water away and dump it out. We find that things got moved around. Certainly did get moved around. I almost wonder if I can grab that. Let's see. You know? I'm going to try to grab that. Some of it's coming out. Just a little flake, really. I'm going to just take that off. See if that's what was causing the... Okay, now when we go back in, that made a big difference. But we still want to irrigate out the wax that's around the edges if they're going to be working in there. Okay, here we go again.
Okay.
And are you where you want to be?
No. Okay.
Now there's some coming out.
Yeah, I can feel it.
And there is some wax inside of the tank here. Looking in after the second irrigation to find a much cleaner canal. But there's still, boy, there is wax all down there. Let's see if we can. And it's hurting. But I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Was it really hard?
It wasn't a lot, it was just this. Some curettage, you can still see. It's not especially hard, it's just, you gotta grab it. I'm gonna, yeah, it pushes it up. Let's see if I can get behind it with this. Now that I kind of built it up a little bit. And that's it. And you can see where I've been kind of rough on you. There's,
Okay.
you know that. You felt it.
He could feel it.
Yeah. It's right there. And it's just the tiniest little bit. It's just that it's right on the edge, so it sticks out. And he is sore there. So we're going to check that edge. That looks cleaner. That looks better. Okay, good. We're at a good place now. So I'm going to stop tormenting poor Chuck. Next Friday, or it could be next week. They'll get your impression made now that we got the wax out of there.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what did you request from me?
To go ahead and make the impression.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because now that the wax is out. Does your ear hurt right now?
No.
Okay, just while I was poking at it.
Oh, yeah. This is, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we did make a little abrasion on the canal, but that heals up just by itself. And then there's enough wax removed that they can make the impression now.
Okay,
Good.
sure.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you hear any better?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, really.
All right. Test it. Does it hear better? Does it sound better now on that right side?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Okay.
Right side is
All right.
better, yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us. Thanks, Chuck, for joining us.
Thank you.
And until next time, I want to make sure I give special thanks to Lindsay Antoine, BooBoo Kitty, and Petra Rosenberg for helping make this possible. Thank you. They're our matrons on Patreon. Until next time, Chuck and myself telling all of you to stay in good health.